This is the weekly chart review. Good morning, everybody in Australia, and good evening to people in North America. This is Danish, and we are doing weekly chart review for major indices, starting with ES. We did form a W right here, and it's forming a double bottom here. So it's sharply approaching the measured move target of 42.80 to 90 range. Even though Friday was a red day, we are forming higher lows. If you look at the weekly, this is forming a pullback for the 2 weeks, and then this was the reversal candle on the weekly. Similarly, going to NQ. NQ had a longer time going down, but the reversal candle was the same on weekly, and hence the recovery phase is similar to ES. In fact, NQ is at the neckline already, and the measured move target from this neckline, 400 points of this. And once it crosses 13,750, it will start trending upwards. That's for NQ. Going to Russell. The Russell is still in the box. It needs to break above this 2300-ish level and all the way up above 2310 to start trending upwards. Even on a week, it's still going horizontal, which is good. And once it snaps out from here, we will see a big bullish run like this. What needs to be seen is if ES continues growing up and it pulls the Russell as well. By end of this week, we may likely break out of this box, or we may continue for one more week before we break out. 1 or 2 more weeks. Maybe this week we go down and the next week we break out. So that's the earliest and latest breakout timelines for Russell. Going to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also forming a double bottom, and the neckline is 34,348. The bottom would be 33,454. Almost 150 points. Oh, sorry, 871 points. So 870 points up from here. Dow Jones would be looking at 35,200-ish level once we cross this level of 34,700-ish. So this is also following the same pattern as ES. Looking at it on a weekly, similar 2-week pullback on a weekly and trending upwards from here. So this is following the same pattern. Quickly going to XJO, that's Australian Securities Exchange. This is doing great. This formed a high base on a week, and now it's shooting up. This time it's trying to go above 71,197, which it failed 2 weeks ago. So this is all-time high from 2020. It needs to break above this level before it starts trending upwards further. And then going to Nifty for people who invest in India. Nifty is back into the channel above the resistance level / support level of 15,267, 15,173. So Nifty is healthy from here, and we should see upward trend from this point on as US markets lead the way. Nifty would be trending upwards from this point on. So that's it for me. You may unmute yourself. Feel free to ask any questions that you may have.